Hi everybody and Happy New Year's Day.
Happy New Year!
So 1st of January 2020 and we are back in the UK after having our Christmas jaunts away, and we're back down on our promenade, and it's absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
Lovely. And look at the water there. Don't
It
you?
is so,
Nita can capture
it's
that.
all, it's so calm.
Yeah.
That's the Irish Sea, isn't it?
So
It's
still, isn't it?
just so
Yeah.
still. It's like a little mirror in it, looking glass or something.
So we're on Mel's Parade at the
Beautiful,
moment, on the
beautiful
Wirral.
and sunny.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what we wanted to speak to you today was, have you set any intentions for the following year? There's one for you.
Yeah, it's a biggie, isn't it?
So we've been building up to it really, haven't we? Working things, writing things down, what we want to achieve in the next 12 months. Because what we did actually at the, well, a few days ago, we actually sat down and reflected on how far we'd actually come in 2019. And when we look back at those 12 months, how far we've come, and the actual earnings that we're now earning monthly to what we were just earning 12 months ago,
It's amazing.
is absolutely amazing. And that is all thanks to the SFM. So because we followed all the training and all the education, and we've sat in on webinars, asking questions, doing all the learning that we're provided with, basically all the education we're provided with here, we've took it all on board, we've applied it all, and we're now at the point where we're going to actually upscale again now, aren't we, and go again for this year, because the earning potential is just, it is mind-blowing.
And obviously the goals are a lot bigger this year,
A
aren't they?
lot
So,
bigger,
yeah.
yes. And of course our why is still to be able to spend time with the family, which of course that's a big one for the pair of us, but it's also to travel more, because with our old traditional businesses we've very rarely got to do any travelling or seeing anything of the world, have we? Because we're always stuck, trapped with our business.
Well, Christmas is one, isn't it? We got
Oh,
away this
yeah.
time for the very first time. Me and Nita got to spend real quality time away at Christmas, which
Yeah, we've never ever
we
done
wouldn't
that.
have even pushed ourselves to do that a few years back. And
Well, we couldn't, we were trapped with the business.
yeah. So that was amazing. So more of the same. That's
Yeah.
what we're going to be doing, isn't it, boss?
Yeah. So just think about what you can achieve in 12 months. We know what you can achieve in 12 months. We've done the 12 months, this past 12 months, and honestly,
It's all possible, isn't it?
yeah, it is mind-blowing the results you can get from this company. So get yourself sorted, get your intentions written down. If this is definitely something for you with its SFM, get your finger out, get the work done, make time to get the work done, because honestly the benefits are so well worth it in
And
the end.
it's hard at the start, guys, it is, don't get me wrong, but we found that particularly the first 12 months from January 18 to the end of December 18, it was hard, wasn't it?
Yeah, well, we didn't step in properly.
Yeah, not
we
properly.
we dabbled in and out for 12 months, and we didn't really commit.
Yeah.
And that's why our journey, it took us 2 years. But really, I say it's only took us 12 months because it's only been 12 months, literally 2019 was when we actually committed
Yeah.
and started doing the work and really put our nose to the grindstone, as they say. So that's it really. We just wanted to say, if you're wanting to get the freedom in your life, not only the time to be able to enjoy your life, but also to have the finances to be able to do whatever it is that you want to do, then you've got to put the work in up front. So get clear on your intentions for what you want to achieve this year. Get your nose to the grindstone and get working hard, and those results will come.
Nice one, boss.
Okay,
Yeah.
will that do us?
Yeah.
Can we enjoy the rest of our walk
Yeah,
now?
going for a lovely walk now again.
Okay, we'll catch you again.